Welcome back to another tutorial from Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update the Instagram Edits application to its latest version. So let's get started right away. If you are noticing some issues or running into crashes and stuff while you are using the Instagram Edits application, then the first thing that you will need to do is to check for updates. To do so, open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store, depending on your device. Now tap on the search box and then type in Instagram Edits to begin your search. Once you find the Edits Video Editor by Instagram, go ahead and tap on it. Within the application page, you will see the uninstall and either the open or the update button. If your application is not already updated to the latest version, you will see the update button over here. You will simply need to tap on the update button and let the update process complete. Just wait a little while, and when the update is done, you will once again see the open option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now open up the latest update of the Instagram Edits application. Simply log in using your Instagram account, and now you can start working on your edits right away. If you still notice issues and bugs, then go back to the application page within the respective app store and tap on the app support. Here you will find the email address for Instagram Edits. You can use this email to directly write to the support team, and they will get back to you. So that is how easy it is to update the Instagram Edits application to its latest version. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.